This is an informative module on academic writing. In today's video, we will learn how to structure a paragraph coherently. Lesson 103, Paragraph Structure. How to structure a paragraph. Step 1. Topic sentence. State the main idea of the paragraph. Start the first paragraph with an introductory sentence that sets the stage for more analysis. Here is an example. Collaborative learning enhances student engagement in higher education. Step 2. Explanation and development. In this step, you elaborate on the topic sentence, define key terms or concepts, and set up the context for your evidence. Example. This method encourages students to take an active role in their learning by sharing ideas and solving problems together. Step 3. Evidence. During this step, you support your points with facts, examples, research, statistics, or quotes. The evidence should come from reliable sources. Also, make sure to cite using the required format. Example. According to Smith and Lee 2022, students in group-based courses showed a 30% increase in participation compared to those in traditional lectures. Step 4. Analysis. You must explain how the evidence supports your point. Make sure to interpret the data or quote instead of just restating it. Lastly, connect the evidence back to the main idea and thesis. Example. This suggests that collaboration not only boosts engagement, but also fosters deeper understanding through peer interaction. Step 5. Concluding and transition sentence. Wrap up the paragraph and set the stage for the following sections. Make sure to reinforce the main point. Example. Therefore, incorporating collaborative strategies can significantly improve the learning experience. Here is a final tip. Unity. Every sentence in the paragraph should relate to the main idea. Avoid going off topic. A clearly organized paragraph presents a single central idea, making it easier for readers to understand your argument or explanation without getting lost. Each section plays a role in maintaining the logical flow of the paper, allowing your points to connect cohesively and convincingly. When topic sentences are clear, evidence is well placed, and transitions are smooth, the writing stays engaging and easy to follow. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.